I have the Capri vacuum brake bleeder hooked up, drawing the PTU fluid out of my transfer case. And I'm using Lucas the Lucas 75 140 Durolite. And I have a line going to the transfer case. Now this transfer case does not have a drain plug, so I'm drawing it from the fill plug. You see there? I used a 1/2-inch ratchet. This is a fill plug from the PTU power transfer unit, and I wiped the top out inside with a rag and got out this black material. Now, if you watch, this is a magnetic. It's got a magnet inside. Now, if you watch carefully, you'll see this paper draw down on this right there. So that's filings coming from the gears in the power transfer unit. Just a dust like a mud. There's no file metal. It's just a paste, like a fine paste.